Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we will learn the kanji of now present. Kyo no kanji wa ima no kanji desu. So guys, we can see here this kanji have 4 strokes. This is the stroke order which we would have to follow. Kindly focus on it. Ichi, ichi ni san, yo. This is the final kanji which is having 4 strokes. Let's do the practice for the strokes of this kanji, which are very simple. Just we need to focus only once. Ichi ni san yo. Ichi ni san yo. Ichi ni san yo. Ichi ni san yo. This is the. Let's do it for the final time. Ichi ni san yo. This is the final kanji which is having 4 strokes. Now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. There is only one kunyomi of this kanji which is ima, written in romaji as well, and onyomi of this kanji are kon, ko. These are the 2 onyomi of this kanji. Now let's move to the meanings for this kanji. Here we will learn 4 meanings of this kanji. If we are writing this kanji alone without any suffix or without any prefix, then we will pronounce it ima. Ima means now. For example, ima nanji desu ka? What time is now? And if we are writing this kanji as a prefix with the kanji of moon, month, about which we have already studied, then we will pronounce kongetsu, which means this month. Here I'll drop the link in description for the kanji of month. And again, if you are writing this kanji as a prefix with the kanji of year, about which we have already studied, I'll drop the link in description. Then these would be pronounced as kotoshi. Kotoshi, written in romaji as well. Kotoshi means this year. And the final is, this is an exception. You guys have to remember only, there is no link of kunyomi and onyomi. So this is the exception. If you are writing these 2 kanji together, this is the kanji of now and this is the kanji of sun. If you are writing these 2 kanji together, these would be pronounced as kyo, written in romaji as well. Kyo means today. Kyo means today. So this was an exception. Kyo wa nanyobi desu ka? Kyo wa nichiyobi desu. So guys, this was the kanji of ima. I hope you guys have understood. Then please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and please drop your comments in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Jamata. Arigatou gozaimasu.